The Next Generation program is a leadership developmental 4-year program that really aims to grow individuals into leaders with an emphasis on diversity, equity, and inclusion in everything that you do from a leadership standpoint.
Our goal is to develop students that are really thoughtful about how to best create a community that invites all to participate, regardless of what you look like, who you worship, how you identify, who you love.
We have monthly cohort meetings where we basically learn a lot more about leadership within culture, diversity, and inclusion as well.
It's good to have a group of diverse people with diverse strengths rather than having one strength throughout a group, because that way you can lean on each other and be leaderships together rather than one person being the sole leader.
Back in high school, I was really involved, and I was the president of a lot of clubs, and as a minority, it was really hard to get into those positions, but that work has allowed me to be able to translate that here up at Creighton, and I am now in a lot of leadership positions here, and I'm very proud of myself.
When I came into Creighton, I thought I was well-versed in diversity, equity, and inclusion. I learned so much about what it means to be a person of change and be a person of inclusiveness here at Creighton. So the program really works to meet you where you are, take your skills, and really just develop you into a better leader.
Despite studying different things, we were all working towards a better goal of a better and more just EDI programs towards college campuses.
Being a part of this program, everyone can share their story, and that helps you grow as a leader.
This program really is a skill-building program designed to support those students and also to make sure that they are able to go out and do the things that we hope they'll do.
Being a next generation leader has helped me to understand what it takes to be a leadership. It has given me the skills and the opportunities to be a learning leader. And I'm excited to take all of what I'm learning right now back home and to give it back to the community that gives so much to me.